Welcome to Tegrita Tuesday Tips in 2, where I will share with you how you can set the campaign fields for reporting. So here on the screen is the campaign analysis report, and you'll see we have certain sections that are separated by campaign type. So here under campaign fields, you have type, product, and region. And so these can be used to give you more granular reporting in some of the dashboards. So this is just one of the campaign analysis dashboards. If I pop on over into a multi-step campaign, under options, I will see campaign fields. And here, this is where we have that product, region, and campaign type. So these are the fields that are controlling those settings over in the dashboard and some of the reports. So where you set these settings in your campaigns, this then allows you to have that reporting. So if we look at where this is controlled, I have another tab open over in the field section. If you do not have administrative permissions, you will not be able to get into fields and views, but you can talk to your administrator. So here under campaign fields, this is where you see campaign type, product, and region. By default, they are text boxes. However, you do have the ability to create pick lists, and you can also make these fields required. I do highly encourage, if you are going to use these fields, that you do make them required so that way every campaign going forward has all of the relevant information in there. Thank you for listening. This is another Tegrita Tuesday Tips in 2.